In this video, we'll demonstrate how to update Google Chrome on your Windows computer. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to keep your Google Chrome up to date, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Updating Google Chrome is essential to ensure you have the latest and most secure version. To get started, follow these steps. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Look for the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. These are the menu options. Click on them. In the menu that appears, navigate to the Help section. From the Help section, click on About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically scan for the latest version and begin updating. Once the checkmark appears, indicating the update is complete, click Relaunch. After relaunching, you'll see the checkmark again, and you won't have the relaunch option, indicating you're now using the latest version. To enable automatic updates in the future, you can click on Automatic Updates and follow the prompts to ensure your Chrome browser stays up to date without manual intervention. If you encounter any issues with this process, you can always visit google.com Chrome to download the latest version and reinstall Chrome. This is especially useful if you're using a very old version that doesn't support the automatic update process. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and for more tech tutorials and resources, visit Media Magnet Guide.